makes the long road sweet. So I'm riding on the slow train through the valley and the flame. Not in my own power, but His holy rising name. And His victory's already won.